And our favorite part about this bedroom is... Hey guys! So we wanted to do another quick little tour of our apartment here in Athens. It's in the district, which is kind of like a trendy, like upscale kind of shopping district. It's really beautiful and we've really enjoyed our stay here, so we wanted to give you guys a little tour.
Come on in!
One of my favorite things about this apartment is the light. So we walk into the living room and the dining room, and it's nice and open, which we love. TV, which we have also loved, especially for the kids. This is our lovely little balcony. Yes, it also has these fun little automatic blinds, which Winston loves. This is the lovely dining room. Yes, what we loved about this dining room, and it's super rare in Europe and in most rentals, is the size. It's so big. It's got a full-size table, and it's nice and bright, and we just love the decor, and we've actually spent a lot of time here, so. And through here is the kitchen with a washing machine and a dishwasher. Through to the kitchen is just a little powder room here. And then this is our bathroom. Yeah, and then this is our master bedroom, which is a really nice size. And our favorite part about this bedroom is the storage space. And this is our little balcony. This apartment has these cool automatic window closures on the outside, which is really actually helpful for noise and light, obviously. So yeah, we really liked that. This is the second bedroom, but it's a bit of a mess right now. Finn was just having a nap. But yeah, both boys slept in here very comfortably.
Excuse you.
And then this is our little balcony.
I still laughing.